Tying myself to the helm is true. I'd rather sink or drown than turn around and abandon you. I'm chaining my soul to your feet. Where you go, I go too. You see, I'm yours for keeps. Needing my fibers to your being. We are one in the same. You're all I've ever needed. I'm a wretch without your love. Until you wrap me in your banner of love. We're sailing the 7 seas together. Come hell or high water, if we live or if we perish, it's forever. We'll climb our highest mountains and stand in wonder. Our love will manifest in a powerful symphony of thunder. We're wrapped in a promise, a banner of love. We swore an oath, built a house. We share the same blood. I am sure